welcome to my channel where you are cooking with Mel today. So special thank you to my husband who is recording me. I usually have like this tripod, but whatever. So I'm making peach cobbler today, and if you could just come over so they can see, I just got some canned peaches, some brown sugar, regular sugar, nutmeg, some cinnamon sugar and whatever, some cinnamon, some vanilla extract, and some butter. So basically, I've been wanting peach cobbler. I've never made it before, so this is definitely not a tutorial like I normally have. But yeah, I'm really excited about trying this. I have watched like 15 plus videos trying to figure out what makes a good peach cobbler, and everything has the same ingredients to me. The only difference is, like, I don't know where this person was from. Like, I don't know if they were from London or whatever, but they like put like pieces of dough in their peach cobbler, like a cobblestone road. So I thought that was cool. And over here in America, we just like do the whole pie looking peach cobbler, but it doesn't matter. So let's get started. So let's get to making this peach cobbler. It's like almost 12 midnight, so bear with me so I look crazy. So I just want to wash off the cans. I don't know what was got on them in the store or whatever. So peach cobbler seems to be pretty easy, but I'll see how it ends up tasting. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the stove on, and I really don't know how much butter I want to use. They say like 3 teaspoons. No, these are tablespoons, but I think I want to use half because butter is really rich in fat, and I feel like you really need that buttery taste. So I'm just gonna do whatever I want to do and cut this in half. Let's see, 1 2 3 4. There we go. And since the stove is on, I'm just gonna go ahead and let that melt in there. Oh, don't want to come out the paper. Bam, there we go. So while that's melting, I'll go ahead and open up the cans. So this is heavy syrup. I don't know much about peach cobbler. Like I said, it's my first time, but I figured that I should get the one that has heavy syrup in it. So you want to get you some good peaches. Don't go finding the cheap peaches. Your stuff don't taste right. Ain't my, ain't my fault. So the butter, I don't want it to burn, so I'm definitely gonna like kind of, let's see, break it up a little bit, because butter will burn. That milk part of the butter will burn very, very quickly. And I'm just gonna go ahead and pour my peaches in. Oh. There we go. And so anybody who makes peach cobbler know that you put a little bit of sugar in there. So before I put the sugar, I'm going to put my ground nutmeg and my cinnamon. I'm just going to do a half a teaspoon each. So where is my teaspoon? Here it is. So this is a half a teaspoon. Find something that's kind of like this measurement. If you don't have a, you really should have measurement utensils if you're cooking anything. So this is some brand new nutmeg. Let me open it up. Y'all, this nutmeg is expensive. I was like, dang, $4 for this? Jesus. So I'm just gonna put a half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and I'm not really bothered if my spices mix, so I'm gonna dip this same spoon in the cinnamon. You probably shouldn't do that if you bake a lot, but I don't cook a lot of desserts. So bam, there we go. And let's see, oh, I guess sugar. So you're gonna do a half a cup of white sugar, and then, Jesus, let's see if I can get this brown sugar out. A half a cup of brown sugar, and this is dark brown sugar. I think they have an option of light brown sugar at the store, I don't know, but literally just like cook this. Once again, like, this is my first time making it, so this is definitely not a tutorial. So it looks like it's been cooking enough to get kind of thick, so trying to show y'all the juice here. So clearly this is my first time making it, so I'm not making my own crust. So I'm using Pillsbury pie crust for this, and I'm just gonna cut it up. And I've kind of already started. I just kind of cut little lines or whatever. And this is the pan, so this is the size pan I'm using. So I'm making the pie crust fit as best way as I can. And I like crust. I like a lot of crust, and I like the crust that's at the bottom of the peach cobbler. So I'm gonna like double layer this actually. So I'm gonna cut this up, and I'll come back when I'm ready to do the top. So I'm gonna cut up another one. So as you can see, I got a lot of crust at the bottom, but I'm definitely not gonna put that much crust at the top. And I'm just gonna put the peaches in first, because there's a lot of juice, and I don't think I need all this juice. So I'm just gonna layer it with crust on the top. Not going to, oh, it's breaking. And now we're just gonna egg wash it. So this is literally just egg and water. So I'm gonna take my little brush and just glide across the pie crust with this. I don't know if I put too much water in here or not, but we shall see. Just egg washing it a little bit. For my finished touch, I got some cinnamon sugar that I got from Walmart.